Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at Stackable's timeline block in WordPress. This is a mini-series on taking a look at Stackable's blocks one by one. To get started, let's make a brand new page to look at this block on its own. There's a couple ways to do that. If you're logged in anywhere on your website, you'll have this top toolbar. Hover over New and click on Page. Alternatively, if you've logged in and ended up on your dashboard, head over to your left-hand sidebar, hover down to Pages, and click on Add New Page. This will take us to the WordPress block editor and create for us a brand new blank page. Alright, once we're here, let's do some housekeeping. If this right-hand sidebar isn't here, there's a button beside Publish called Settings. Just click on that. This is where all of the settings and configurations and parameters for the block will appear. Next, let's give our page a title. Just to keep things organized. And last but not least, let's add the block itself. There's a blue button on the top left corner. Click on that, and you can either search for the block or scroll down. Since Stackable is on top of the list for us, let's head over just a little bit and we'll find Timeline. Just drag and drop that into the workspace, and we have our options set for us. So let's close this to give ourselves some more room to work with, and let's take a look at what we're working with. Okay, so we have inner column and timeline, right? We can change the gap. We have left and right. We have our width and our spacing. And then we have our style here. We can change our position. Let's keep it on default. We can change the dot size, the dot border radius, so we can make it square or round. We can change the line thickness as well, and the horizontal offset to our text. And we can change our accent color, okay? And then our timeline background color. I don't think we have that on right now. And then our typography, we have it here, right? So our timeline is this, and then this is separate text. So let's start with April 9, 1954, okay? And then we can change our typography settings from here. And let's choose something. Oh, no, that's kind of hard to read, is it? Okay, that's fine. It looks very professional and classic. Okay, we can change our text color as well. We can make it just black. I'll put a shadow or outline on that. And then we can add a background to our whole I think that's fine. To our whole timeline block over here. We can also change the border radius. And then we have our advanced settings here, such as our general settings, position, hard position settings, custom attributes, responsive settings for desktop, tablet, and our mobile to hide it, and our advanced settings. So a timeline is a timeline. It's pretty self-explanatory. Let's go ahead and describe the things that we want to talk about. So how do we add other things? So with this setup, with how we want it to be set up, let's go ahead and click on Duplicate. And you can see they start to connect automatically. Let's add a few more. Okay, and it starts to look good. Okay, let's move this down a bit, and you can see they start to share colors. Oh, okay. That's what that was. Let's change the accent color to this. Okay, and then for the background, no, it's just plain white like that. So this is us scrolling down with that. Okay, that's what this is. It's like a progress bar. All right, so next we can start to customize how this looks like. So let's say company founded, and then for this next one, let's say it's a major event. We want this to, we want our dot to be extra big, okay? And then for this one, we want this to be on the right-hand side, right? 12, 1967. and so on and so forth. We have this one, 1967. Let's make this June 1988. Is about yeah. And then for this one, let's put this on the right hand side, and let's change the color of this one, just because I think it's for all of them, that is. Yeah, just to make it a bit more, there you go, just to make it a bit more clean. Okay, perfect. And now I want to make this dot a bit bigger, and I want to make it round, and I want to change the color of this just to signify it was a different event. And then this one, February, I already did that. Okay, so this is our timeline, an example timeline. We can change typography and the text for all of these, right? So if you wanted to change the text, this text block is on its own. If you wanted to change the dates over here, it's basically its own text block. But all of the other settings for the dots and the outlines and shadows and shapes and colors come with this. And that's that. So let's go ahead and click on Publish to save our changes. And let's take a look at how it looks like on our live site. All right, with that saved, let's go ahead and click on View Page. And here is our stackable timeline block in WordPress. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.